Hello everyone, welcome to Orave. Today we will show you how you can buy a product from our e-commerce website and how the different discount coupons you can avail while doing online purchase, and there are some payment methods that you can use while doing e-commerce purchase. To do this, you have to open your Internet Explorer either on your mobile phone or on your desktop or laptop, and you have to put our website domain address, which is oraveappliances.com. After doing this, you will see the home page of our website. There are some different categories like domestic water purifier, alkaline water purifier and all, right? There are some featured products, and all the information in this product, this website, you can go through it thoroughly to understand our company, our vision and some different products. I am taking an example. Suppose you have to buy an RO water purifier for your personal use, right? Then what you have to do, you have to go to domestic water purifier category, and there are some search options by series, by warranty, by technology or by price range. And if you want to see all the products, all the water purifiers in this domestic water purifier category, then you have to click on the button show all domestic water purifiers. After clicking on this button, you will see all the water purifiers in this category. Suppose you want to buy an RO which should be very economic, and this is the model Grand Plus G&A01, which is the best economic product for your search. After clicking on this, you will see all the description and details of this model. You can see like this. And this you will see the important safety instructions about the product, about the warranty, about the filtration method, about some different stages. If you click on the specification page, you will see the detailed specification of this product, right? If you make your mind to buy this product, then you have to add this product to your cart. Put the in the quantity bar 1 piece, because you have to buy a single piece for your personal use, right? And then you have to click on the add to cart button. When you click on the add to cart button and you will you see your cart, then you will see one item of this one worth is selected for checkout. Then you have to click on this your cart button. Then you have to view your cart. To do this, you have to click on the view cart button. You will see that one product Grand Plus G&A01 model, this one, quantity 1 and unit prices 1 has been selected in your cart. Then you have to use your use discount coupon. We have given a discount coupon which is valid for 50% discount on our products, and which is valid till 31st of December 2022, and the discount coupon is DIS2022. And then you have to click on the apply coupon. When you click on the apply coupon button, you will see then this discount coupon has been applied to your cart option. Then you will see the exact payment method you have to pay is 5699.50. Then you have to click on the checkout button, right? After you click the checkout button, you will see the new window, right? Then you have to register yourself as a guest checkout, right? You have to click the guest checkout, then click the continue button. Then you have to enter your detail. Suppose your name is Sunil Kumar, right? The email address is, I am putting some raw data, and the phone number is 9099990444. Then the address details like Rampur Nagar, city is Solan, postal code is 444, country is India, region is, suppose you are residing in Himachal Pradesh and you have to get your product delivered to this address location, you have to enter this, and then you have to enter CAPTCHA, which is for security purpose. After putting the CAPTCHA, if you have your delivery and billing address is same, and then you have to select this option and then click on the continue button. Then you will see the delivery rate, delivery charges. We have 354 rupees the standard delivery charges to any location. Then if you want to add some other comments about your order, like you want to give other mobile number, then you can see other mobile number is like this is your other mobile number, then continue. Then you will see this option pay by Razorpay, click on this and then click on terms and condition button. You can see all the terms and condition by clicking on this. After doing this, click on the continue button. This is loading, and then you will see the final amount you have to pay, which is 6053.50. Then click on the confirm order. After doing this, you will see the payment gateway, which is of Razorpay, which is very secure. You need not to worry about any misuse of your all the card details or something other details. You need not to worry, which is very secure payment gateway, which is a Razorpay payment gateway we have on our website. Then there are some preferred payment methods like UPI, PhonePe, Paytm, some other payment options like card payment, credit card or debit card or RuPay card, whatever kind of you have, you can make this payment by card. UPI and QR, net banking, wallet, EMI option, pay later option. And this is and another additional 5% discount on HDFC Visa card. This is the special discount on HDFC Visa card. Either it can be a debit card or a credit card. The 5% additional discount is there. If you have HDFC Visa card, then you can select this additional 5% discount. Otherwise, you have to leave this. If you want to make this payment by using a card, then you have to click on the card option. Then you have to put your card number, expiry and card holder name and CVV number and pay. Click on the pay button. Then you will finish your payment. And if you want to make the payment by UPI or scanning a QR code, then you can scan this like this. Click on the show QR button. Then this QR button will be here and you have to scan this code to make this payment by UPI. If you want to make this payment by using net banking, then you have to select net banking button. There are some banks shown in this, HDFC, ICICI, and if you have any other bank for which you are using the net banking, then you can select a different bank. There are some banks which Razorpay payment gateway is using, then you can select this for net banking purpose. You can make this payment by your UPI or other payment wallets also, like PhonePe, Amazon Pay, MobiKwik, Freecharge. If you have payment in your wallet, then you can do the payment by using this. Next is EMI. Soon we will be having EMI option on our website. Once we get this option, then we will tell you with the mean of video, and that will be shared publicly, by which you will be aware how you can use this EMI option on our website. The pay later option, this is log for our website, right? And there are some payment options. These are some payment options that you can use to make a payment for the product you want to buy from our e-commerce website. I hope you would understand each and everything, how to purchase a product from our website, how you can use any discount coupon or any other discount coupon or feature while making a purchase from our website, and how the different payment methods are there that you can use while doing a purchase. I hope you will understand each and everything, and you will be able to make payments and make the purchase very well. In case you face any problem in this, you can call us on our customer care number, which is 905352233. So this is all about this video. I hope you will like this and you will share this as much as possible. Thank you. Jai Hind.